Good day, students. How are you? Today, we are going into a topic known as desertification. The learning objectives are: number one, define desertification. Number two, state the causes of desertification. 3, state the consequences of desertification. Number 4, solution to desertification. Now, what is desertification? In a nutshell, desertification is turning a fertile land to desert. Turning a desert land to desert. That is, turning a forest to desert. This occurs gradually, and it takes some factors. Those factors including climatic variation and human activity. So look at the picture of desert. Now, what are the causes of desertification? Number 1, overgrazing. Overgrazing is when animal eats all the vegetation and the soil refuses to grow the grasses again, and the soil is exposed to rain and wind, and the soil is washed or blown away. Can you see the picture of cattle? And can you see eating grasses? Can you see the area where they have eaten exposed? Number 2 is drought. Drought is a long period without rainfall, which will make crops to die and cause lack of food, and people will be running around to get food. You can see what is called the cause of drought. The land, the soil be cracking because there's no water there. Number 3 is deforestation. Deforestation is cutting down of trees, and when those trees are cut down and other ones are not planted, the land will be exposed to erosion and to the dryness. Therefore, the plant there will die. Can you see the picture? The area that has been cut become dry. Then overcultivation. When a piece of land is being cultivated year in and year out without being replenished or leaving it for fallow, before we know it, the land will lose its nutrients and the crop will die. Then number 5 is urbanization. Urbanization is a process where people from rural area are coming to the city. The available land in the city is being cultivated, therefore turning the areas into desert. Then number 6 is climate change. Climate change is a process where we have change of season from rainy season to dry season. So in the dry season, the day gets warmer and the period of drought becomes frequent. Therefore, desertification will be setting in little by little. So these are the causes of desertification. So what are the consequences? The consequences are in 3 folds. Number 1, environmental effects. Number 2, economic effect. And number 3, social effect. All these 3 will be discussed because they are interwoven. That is, number 1, loss of biodiversity, which is environmental effect, which make us that flood will occur. Then droughts and soil erosion, which will wash away the top soil. Then drought also which cause economic what? Effects to occur. Give us what? Loss of nutrients, poor water quality, hunger, what we set in, and a sandstorm. So we see that the economic effect is there, social effect is there, and the environmental effect is there, because the environment will change. Where there was a shade before, there will be no shade. No cool air again. Everywhere will be hot. So the environment will not be conducive for people to dwell in. So therefore, what are the solutions to desertification? Number one, we must raise awareness of the problem of desertification. Then start planting indigenous trees and shrubs. Then developing suitable agricultural practices and control our grazing. We don't allow the cattle to eat up all our grasses. Then also practice crop rotation. Then engage in proper land management, and also soil and water management. We must introduce also proper technology, so that as the land is being cultivated, it is being replenished again. Then planting tree to reduce soil erosion. So these are the solutions to desertification. Then assignment. What is desertification? State 5 causes of desertification. Then number 3, how can desertification be conquered? That's it. Please do the assignment and make sure it is submitted. Thank you. God bless you.